The next thing we're going to look at is the front end, and we're going to focus on index.php. Now the first thing I want to do is to create a basic HTML template. And because Visual Studio Code has the Emmet plugin already installed, it's quite easy to actually produce that basic template. All I need to do is to type in an exclamation mark and then press Tab. And there we have the basic framework there. Now I'm going to change the title here to Dropdown Lists. So Dropdown Lists Example. Now for this particular course, I am going to use Bootstrap to cover some of the basic styling. It's quick and it's easy to use. So what you want to do is go across to your browser, open a new tab, and just do a quick search for Bootstrap. Here it is, getbootstrap.com. I'll click on there and then click on Get Started. You can see here we've got the CSS link. I will copy that. I'll go back to Visual Studio Code and I'll just paste that in. Now I'm also going to be doing a little bit of styling myself, so I also want to include a link to style.css. So we want a link. The relationship is going to be, it's a style sheet. And we want then the reference, so href equals, and it's just style.css. And we'll close that off. We're also going to be using jQuery, so again, go across to your browser, open a new tab, just do a quick search for Google jQuery, and here we have the link here, this jQuery link. I'll click on that, and we'll go up to this top snippet here. This is the latest version. We'll copy that, go back to Visual Studio Code, and we'll just paste that in. So that's it for the initial setup of the index.php file, and hopefully that wasn't too difficult. If you do want a copy of the code, check the end of the course and you'll see all the files available for download. If you found this lesson useful, then remember to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be notified about future lessons. Details about all the available courses can be found in the description, or you can visit the website at coding.academy.